Now, this is Lakshmi Kodali. Now I'll walk you through the COINCOMO 2.0 export CSV feature. Actually, this is like a very cool feature that helps you export all your data that's there in the COINCOMO screen, and all the subsystems and systems, and all the data, EFF values, the scale factor values, and all the values get exported to an CSV file, export file, where you can do all cool stuff, and even you can do all your manipulations and do extra calculations in your export files. Okay, now I'll start off with files. Let's go to files, then say export. This actually creates a file name called main.csv in the same folder where your COINCOMO 2.0 is saved. Okay, now let's go to the folder. Now here you see a main.csv, and this is the file that's been created by COINCOMO 2.0. Okay. Okay, now let's go to, yeah. Now this is the file that's created. So here you can see from the top, like the system name, Windsor Ninja Robot, then system lines of code, then system effort, system schedule, system all the values in the table for this row actually represents, this table actually represents the values for the entire table. And as you come down in the hierarchy, then you have subsystem name, subsystem lines of code, then effort, then schedule, then production, then cost, then instant cost, then staff, all the values for the tables for subsystem. Then your next level in the hierarchy, when you come down, it's subcomponent name, then subcomponent effort values, then schedule, and all the ones that are involved in subcomponent. Then and these are the scale factor ratings for the component. Yeah, and then you come down in the hierarchy, it's subcomponent name. That's okay, let me just expand this a little more. Yeah, subcomponent name. Then you have two cat-like reflexes and kung fu grip. Then we have the subcomponent sizes, then labor rate, and EF values, language, and cost, risk, and staff, and all of them. Till this point, it's all what you see in the main COINCOMO 2.0 screen, and these are the internal values. Now these records the values that were loaded into the database during the time when you specified the lines of code. And from this point onwards, these are the values that you loaded into the database for EF value calculation. Okay, and these are all the 18 values, all the 18 EF values. Then yeah, that's it for each component. Then we come back. So this is the entire hierarchical structure of the export.csv.
So
Yep.
This is cool because it gives you
Yeah.
roll of estimation.
Yeah, it gives you the entire
That's a roll of estimation.
roll of estimation.
Yeah.
Yeah, helps you. Yeah, you can do your all your math and calculation and all the stuff whatever you want to do as it is now in Excel sheet.
Because in the GUI we can't see
Yeah,
things like subsystem or system.
yeah, in the
roll
yeah,
estimation.
we can't see all these internal values in the GUI. Subsystem, entire summary of the subsystem and the summary of the system. We have everything over here in the export.csv.
So the CSV is actually a pretty useful feature.
Yep, pretty useful feature. You should use it. Thank you. Okay.